Want to create an online course but don't know where to start? You don't need months of planning or a huge budget to launch a profitable course. In this video, I'll show you how to create your course in just 30 days with a simple step-by-step plan. Week 1, plan and validate your course idea. The first step is choosing the right course topic. Ask yourself, what do people always ask me for help with? What skill or knowledge do I have that others want to learn? Next, validate your idea to make sure people will actually buy your course. Here's how. Post on social media and ask, would you be interested in a course on topic? Run a quick survey to see what your audience struggles with. Look at what similar courses are selling. Competition is a good sign. By the end of week 1, you should have a clear course topic, a validated idea that people are interested in. Week 2, outline and create your course content. Now it's time to break down your course into simple steps. Start with your end goal. What transformation will students achieve by the end? Then outline your course using the module lesson format. For example, if you're teaching social media marketing, your outline might look like this. Module 1, setting up your social media strategy. Module 2, creating engaging content. Module 3, growing your audience. Module 4, monetizing your content. Each lesson should be short and focused, 5 to 15 minutes max. By the end of week 2, you should have a detailed course outline, your lessons scripted or planned out. Week 3, record and build your course. Now it's time to create your content. You don't need fancy equipment. Here's what you can use. Screen recordings for tutorials, Loom, Camtasia, slides with voiceover for easy lessons, Canva, Google Slides, AI-powered video tools like Pictory if you don't want to be on camera. Upload your lessons to an all-in-one course platform like Kajabi. By the end of week 3, you should have your course fully recorded, lessons uploaded to a platform. Week 4, pre-sell and launch your course. Don't wait until your course is perfect to start selling. Pre-sell it now. Here's how. Create a simple landing page with your course details. Offer an early bird discount to your first students. Promote your course on social media, email, and Facebook groups. Once your first students enroll, use their feedback to improve your course over time. By the end of week 4, you should have your first students enrolled, your course live and ready to sell. Ready to create your course? Drop a comment below and let me know. What course are you planning to create? And if you want a step-by-step guide to choosing the right course topic, grab my free course topic and naming guide at the link below. If you're serious about launching, get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi to build and sell your course with ease. Pro tip, pre-sell your course in Kajabi during the first 30 days to cover your subscription cost. Now go turn your knowledge into a profitable online course.